Hello everybody. In this video I am going to make a personal description to my brother. My description. I am 19 years old. I weigh 82 kilograms. My height is 1.80 meters. I have an oval face. I have a long thin nose. I have large round eyes. My eyes are black. My hair is short. My hair is black. My lips are big and pink. My description. My brother. My brother is 16 years old. He is tall. His height is 1.70 meters. He weighs 57 kilograms. His face is fine and well defined. His nose is thin and small. His eyes are large. The color of his eyes are dark brown. His hair is short. Her hair is brown. Thanks to all.